Okay, ladies and gentlemen, MRD, your crypto coach as usual. Today, let us learn how to make more money, guys. Let us learn how to make more money. I know most of you are getting many challenges over there. Okay, I want to share with you one thing that you need to understand. You know, we normally talk about what we call margin call. Margin call. How do you understand margin calls? Margin calls will help you to buy more and to earn more when the market is dropping down. For example, if you have $200 as your capital and you're going to buy a coin, okay, you're going to buy a coin. For example, the coin is here. Okay, like I've shared these coins today. But now, for example, let us assume that you want to buy this. The 3% that we are talking about, the 3% that we are talking about here, okay, let me explain to you. If I share a signal for 3%, it means the money that you will invest at first, you know, when we are buying out of maybe $200, I can decide and first buy with 50. After buying with 50, I change from 50 to $10. Now, remember, margin calls, we all know that first margin call, second, third, and fourth. This robot, after buying them, this money will be added on the 50 that you started with. Let's say here we have done $10, $10, $10, $10. In total, we have 40. Now we have to get 40 plus 50, and the total will be having $90. Are we clear? Meaning the rest, which is 110, is for more margin calls. Are we clear, guys? So by buying, you have to first buy with 50. After buying with 50, you come back and change to 10. And we said from first call up to fourth call, that money will be added on the other money that you have started with, which was $50. Meaning from first call plus the first buy, from first call up to fourth, then plus first buy, that is $90. Whereby you will be getting 3% of $90. Hope we are together. Of $90. Are we clear? So after buying up to fourth, now the robot will start buying fifths, sixths, sevenths, and eighths. Let me stop from here. Let us assume here I'm investing 10. I'm investing 10. Now, we said from first call up to fourth, that money is automatically added on the first buy. And if you switch on sub-bin mode, real time settlement, starting from fifth, these margin calls will be independent. And after being independent, we also have take profit for those independent calls. We normally have 1.3 as default setting for robot. Are we clear? Are we getting it? Meaning at this point, on fifth score, you will earn 1.3 of $10 that you invested on Fifi Score. So I want you to understand this. After buying with 50, you change to 10. And another one may be buying with 50. After buying with 50, then you will change maybe to $20. And I want you to understand this clear. The one who used the $20 after buying with 50, the profit will not be the same with the other one who is using $10. Now here we are all getting 1.3 of the amount you invested on that call. Are we clear? Hope you are getting it. So you may find that the one who invested $10 on every call when the market is dropping, maybe at the end of it you will get 1.2. But me who invested $20, you may find that whenever I see the message, so there is a new sale, I will simply earn 0.5. Meaning by earning 0.5 2 times, that is $1. That is $1. Are we clear? Just if I get 2 sales, I earn $2, rather $1. Are we clear? So in margin calls, everything can make different. Everything can make a difference. Can make difference. Your first buy can make difference. The drop can make difference. Number of margin calls can make difference. Number of margin call. You get the point? We have first buy, can make a difference. We have a drop, can make a difference. We have number of margin calls, can make a difference. We have what we call multiple buying ratio. Multiple buying ratio. Multiple buying ratio can also make no, it is not multiple buying ratio. It is called let me check it here. Just a minute. Don't worry. Okay. Just a minute, guys. Where are you? Where are we? Yes, we are here. Now let me first click this and go. I'm talking about this, guys. Yes, it was that one. Oh, good. Multiple buying ratio can also make difference. The drop, this is the drop that I'm talking about. The drop that you are using. You find someone using 0.5. Imagine 0.5, 0.3, 0.4. Yeah, my friend. If you are among the following people who are using this strategy, you will suffer locally. Let me show you the reason why I say you will suffer locally. Now look at this market. This market dropped from here up to here. Let us measure from there. And you tell me the reason why you are using 0.5 from here up to here. This coin dropped 34%. Dropped 34%. But for you, remember, you are using 0.5. How many times will you buy? Oh, how many times? How many 0.5 will recover 34% drop? So please, guys, even though we are learning through many videos, on YouTube. But again, use common sense. I'm telling you, use common sense. Strategies are very, very many, as you can hear. Strategies are very many. But do you know why are you using that strategy? Can you give me 5 reasons why you are saying you are going to use 0.5 and yet the market can drop 34%? Can you give me the reason? If you don't have 5 reasons why you are using 0.5 drop, 0.3 drop, then you better learn. You better step out, step down, and fast learn. Because very soon you will be negative 50 and you will be earning nothing. You'll be earning nothing. Our strategy, ladies and gentlemen, is to keep us in the market while earning. My strategy is always 25% drop in total to 60%. So here you have to decide how much do you have. It will determine which drop can you use. If I talk about drop, the total drop, I'm talking about this one. Are you seeing the what we call margin call drop? Then we have total drop. These are margin call drops. This one that you are seeing here. But when you add all margin call drops, which total do you get? My total should be 25 to 60, at least there. Meaning even though the market drop 34%, I'm okay with it. My robot will keep buying. Then it will start now selling as the market is recovering, ladies and gentlemen. But otherwise, if you just watch video on YouTube and you assume that this is the best video, and yet you don't understand why you are putting 0.5 here, why you are putting 0.3 here, why you are putting 0.2 here, why you are putting 0.1 here. Therefore, please, if you are in this category of people that are using this strategy, I want you to list 5 reasons why you are using it. Put 5 reasons in the comment section and tell me why you are using this strategy. Yet the market can drop 34%. Meaning, when this market is dropping 34% and you are not buying, meaning you are not earning money, you will lose. You will miss out. Actually, you will not lose, but you will miss out money. But remember, for us, we are buying. Whenever there is a drop, we are buying until the market drops 40%. This is my strategy. 40%. I'm buying. Then the market now will start moving up. I will start sell. There is a new sale. Do you know how you feel if you are watching this? If you are on phone and you see there's a new sale, because sometimes back you have been buying when this market was dropping down. Guys, you will use your 0.2 here, 0.3, 0.5, 0.4. Then, my friend, when you add them together all, you will only get 5%. You can imagine. I can feel what you are passing through at this moment. You are suffering locally. If the market can drop 34%, how comes you have energy to put a total drop of 5%? Please, it's time for you to wake up. Otherwise, if you don't want to wake up, accept and you suffer. And don't cry that I have invested my 1,000, but I'm not making money? Because the strategy you are using will not allow you. Because the strategy you are using, you don't understand it. You can't explain why you are using that strategy. Use the strategy whereby you understand it, whereby you can explain why you are using it. You may give us reason. I'm using this strategy because I'm poor. My capital is 200. Which strategy? My drop is 15%. Yes, we accept because the capital is small. But how can you be having 1,000 and you have a drop of 5%? Imagine. Even though I put on signal that the drop is 15% like here, I'm not meaning that as a must, market can drop only 15%. I put 15% just for emergence, for the new ones who don't understand the drop. But ladies and gentlemen, market can drop 90%. Now, after dropping 90%, when it is coming back, what are you earning? What are you benefiting from that drop? Are you earning any single money? If not, then please, it's time for you to wake up. Otherwise, in this business of crypto trading using Roach Robot, unless otherwise, you will never make it. You will never make it. First, understand. Why am I saying use 25% drop up to 60% drop? I know. From the experience I have, it is now 4 years. I have been here in crypto trading. So I know what I'm talking about. I know what I'm talking about. I have seen everything. I have seen bear market. I have seen bullish. I have seen a bull run season. I have seen it. 2021, 2022. My goodness, are you there? 2020. Now we are here at 2024. So I'm telling you from the experience I have. Coin can drop more than that. So in short, you rather be serious. You rather be ready to learn. Otherwise, now you look at this. I shared this coin in the morning. Oh, no. This man is sweet. I shared this coin in the morning. Now you see, sold. My God. You see how sweet it is. Now you see, this was it. D hash 191. It is for number. Remember what our target is? 300 trades. But now we are at 191. But even though you join today, you start from here. Because you have to keep providing signals. And for you, you will also reach at 300 trades. Are we clear? So you can see on this trade, I had shared the drop of 15%. But take profit was 3. Now here, if I measure, where is 15%? From here to here, you see? The 15% was near. That's why I say the 15% is for the new one. But for you, who is experienced, who knows what to do, please, come on, guys. We have to make this money together. Let us enjoy this business to the fullest. Because this business is the best I've seen. But if you don't want to learn, I'm telling you the naked truth. You will not make money. You will cry. Whenever you see someone crying or floating loss, you know that person is not knowing anything about crypto, is lacking knowledge. But if someone is having knowledge about crypto, there is no way how you should cry for floating loss. Floating loss is money. How do you want to make money when you don't want the market to drop? How will you buy low? We said this business is to buy low and sell high. How will you buy low if you don't want market to drop? And another thing, no one controls the market. Market can decide to move up or down. There is no way how you can control it. But if it is dropping down, how ready are you? How prepared are you, ladies and gentlemen? You can make any money that you want from this market, but after understanding it. But otherwise, if you don't want to learn it and you understand how to use it, to use this robot, to understand how this business works, then my friend, I'm telling you, you will just regret. But otherwise, join when you are ready to learn. Join when you are ready to learn. I shared this signal the other time. I told you this coin is giving us 20%. It was coming back to what we call lower high. That was sure deal now. After forming a double bottom here, so we are expecting this market at least to get after forming a new high here. We can see this here, this was lower high, and here you can see the market closing above it. So I was expecting this market at least to come back a bit, then move up to this level. Then again you can see move, then come back. Then when it was coming back on what we call the demand zone at this level. And you see, I also shared the same signal to take 16%. And now we are okay. We are okay. Oh my God. This business is very nice as long as you understand it. But guys, if you think that we are in betting, then you better find the way. We are not in betting. This is a real business. Let me congratulate my people. Congratulations. ZRR sold. Are you getting it? So please guys, take your time, learn and enjoy more. Otherwise, you will not make it. And stop complaining. After learning, you won't complain. There's no need to complain after learning. You get the point? But otherwise, I've shared even another one. I've shared another one. Have you seen it? Go and enjoy. Go and enjoy, guys. So you get? Now, I was trying to share with you again. Now, let me tell you the reason why we normally first put some money. I told you, with your $200, you can first buy with $50, and you leave $150 on balance. Are we clear? We are using this $50 in that in case when this coin fails to drop down, we can get our 3% of $50. But when we drop down, again, we have our balance to buy more. Don't fight to finish your balance. Most of you want all your money to be in the market, and which is wrong. It is 100% wrong. Don't use all your capital at once. Are you getting it? Leave the balance and don't touch on that money which is on balance. You had left it for what? For buying margin calls. And now, if you see the market is not dropping, is not using it, you feel like, my money is not working. Let me get another coin. I put it there. My friend, after buying another coin, that's when the market will start from. It will drop 40%. And yet you have used the money for margin calls. You get the point? So that's why we decide at least, let us first go into the market with $50. If market continues going up, well and good. Because I'm sure when you are compounding this $50, you will make stupid money. Let me show you. I'm looking for my calculator for compounding. It is here. Let me show you. If you put $50, 300 days, no. Here we have 3%, and here we have rate of, rather, days 300. Are we together? I calculate. Do you see? I think the money you will make here. Hey, where are you? Are you seeing it? It is 354, 873. 354,873. We are talking about dollars. These are dollars. Meaning, if you are compounding $50, you will be able to make this money. At the end of the bull run, you just need 300 trades. Successful trades. And you call it a day, you call it a night, you call it a year, ladies and gentlemen. Are we together? Yes, that is it. Out of $500, it doesn't mean that you have to use 400 and you leave 100 for margin calls. This is fake. You are faking life here. You are not calculative. That's what we call money management. You should learn how to manage your capital. Now here, out of 500 and you are using 400, you are wasting it. When the market drops, you don't have enough money to buy margin calls. Guys, let us wake up. Seriously. Out of 500, please, guys. If you want to use too much here from this capital, the match money should be 150. The rest, margin calls. Leave it there. Meaning here we are assuming you are compounding 150. But again, in case when the market drops, we are safe with the 350. Money for margin calls. They are there. Meaning, guys, let's be wise. Meaning, when you have 1,000, you can trade 2 coins. And each coin will take $500. And out of $500, you will only use 150. The rest will be on balance. Now you will find that you have 600, like around the 700. Yes, it will be 700. On balance, you have used only 300. But this money is enough to cover at least, like I told you, to cover between 25 to 60% drop. But otherwise, my people, my friends, you will suffer locally if you don't have margin calls. It's where we get more money. For example, if you have, maybe you are having 10 coins at a go, and each coin is having enough margin calls, 20, 30, 40, those are margin calls you have. Do you know that every coin can sell 5 times a day? Meaning if you get 5 times 10, that is 50. Those are the 50 sales. Are we getting it? So guys, we said, I repeat, put money, whether it is 150, whether it is 50, whether it is 100. If market continues to go up, you will get your 3%. If we drop down, let us buy. Keep buying. Keep buying. Are we together, guys? Because I know market will now bounce back and we keep selling. Sell, 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 sell. Here you are enjoying money. Are we together? But otherwise, if you don't want to learn, my friend, I told you, you will suffer locally. You will suffer locally. Now let me see this. Let me see where it is. This one sold as well. Yes. I shared this signal yesterday. This signal was for yesterday. That's why I told you to compound 3 coins at a go. 3 signals at a go. Because if I get my 50, that means I need only $150 to compound 3 signals at a go. If one is pending, I'll go and buy another one. I buy another coin. I will buy 1 coin. Remember, one is pending and I have 150. If this one is also pending, I'll also buy the third coin. You get the point? But at least this one will sell. I remain with this one. As I'm waiting for this one, maybe this one will sell. You get the point? But remember, we should have again those, after buying those 3 coins, then have enough margin calls. You get the point? Have enough margin calls. So this coin, it has been here since yesterday. I shared when it was here. I was expecting this coin to touch 50 line of Fibonacci. But surprisingly, it went down to test the block. The good entry was here. But only that, I know we have to trade with margin calls. We don't need to suffer. We don't need to suffer waiting for entry here. If the distance is not more than 2%, I have to share the signal. Because I know we have margin calls, this market will drop a bit, it will now go back and sell. Meaning here we are investing more. You had calculated to invest only, maybe to invest $150. But if I give you a signal which is having a chance to drop at least 2% and you buy more, meaning here you will end up getting 3% of $200. Are you seeing how you are making more money? More profit? MRD, your crypto coach. Otherwise, if you're not part of Royal Chu business or crypto trading, I will leave my WhatsApp number in the description of this video. If you want to learn more about market analysis, if you want to learn more about crypto trading, please come on. Go to the description of this video, find there my WhatsApp number. You can chat me up. We talk business, ladies and gentlemen. I'm already, I sign out and I love you so much. Have a blessed